foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. So today's video is all about how to whip a cream. There are many problems in whipping a cream, but it is a very easy task. The problems are like the air is not incorporating or the whipping cream melts while we are icing it on the cake. So if you have any such problems, then watch the video. So let's start with it.
Start with some whipping cream, approximately 1 cup of whipping cream. With a hand whisk, start your whisking. If you have an electric beater, you can use that one also, or a electric blender with a whisk attachment, you can use that also. The speed is 4 times. You can do it slower. One point to notice that do it in the same motion as you started. If you do it in the opposite direction, all the air will be escaped and your all hard work will be lost. Now the whipping cream has started to become little stiffer. This is the semi-stiff consistency. If you want to make mousse or anything like that, you can use this whipping cream right now. But if you want to make a cake, then you need to whisk it for more. If you have an electric beater, you can use that as shown in the video on the top left corner. After 3 to 4 minutes of whisking, your whipping cream will look like this. It is more stiffer than earlier one. It is the best consistency for whipping it on the cake. If you want to check the whipping cream is ready or not, what you can do is that take a dollop or a scoop of whipping cream on a spoon, then turn it upside down or at an angle and shake it a few times. If the whipping cream is falling down from the spoon, then you need to whisk it for few times or more. And if it is not falling, then your whipping cream is ready like this.
So this was the video of how to whip a cream. If you are using electric beater, it would only take 5 minutes, or if you are using a hand whisk, then it would take nearly 12 to 15 minutes, or if you don't have a whisk, then you can also use a spoon or a fork. It would take nearly 25 minutes to 20 minutes. If you have the problem that whipping cream is melting while we are icing it on the cake, then what you can do is that keep the whipping cream in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes before icing it. And if you are using the whipping cream for the mousse or anything like that, then keep it in the refrigerator for only 10 minutes. So now all the problems with the whipping cream are over. That means like how to incorporate air, then how to prevent it from melting when icing it on the cake, and other such problems. So if you like the video and the recipe and the techniques of mine, then give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Also follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Siddha Can Cook. If you want the measurements and the ingredients list, then see it in the description box down below. Also if you want the links of my Instagram account and Facebook page, then they are also in the description box. You can also watch my other videos right here. Stay tuned for other foodie videos. Bye for now. Happy cooking.